Welcome guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to reverse tether on Android 10. So the thing is, on Android 10 reverse tethering is hard because of hardware limitations, I guess. Or you see, reverse tethering was made around on Android 7, Android 6, Android 5. So as soon as Android 10 popped up, the developers stopped working on it because there were some reasons that they said there was a limitations about it. So I found a way how to fix this. So uh, you need a rooted phone. This right here. You need a rooted phone, an internet connection, obviously, so you can reverse tether. So benefits of using reverse tether. So the reason we're gonna use reverse tether is because it has low ping latency. So if you're playing action games like COD, you're gonna get the lowest ping as possible. Faster download upload speed. Uh, Typically, if you have 2.4 gigahertz, you might probably know that, but in each Wi-Fi, there's a 5 gigahertz and 2.4. Depends on which one is you're connecting to. But the good thing about having a reverse tethered is you can unlock much more. So we're looking around 15 megabytes per second, like without no limitations. It's for me. It's for me. It became 15 megabytes per second. Before it was like uh, 2 megabytes per second, 1 megabyte. So it's a big improvement. And on playing games with this one is I usually had 70 millisecond ping, and after I used this reverse tether thing, I had like 30, 20. So it's really a great deal. You just need a setup of using it. So it gets prioritized internet speed over Wi-Fi users if you have a lot of people using your Wi-Fi. Okay, so we have two methods, like expose mode. I don't recommend expose mode because it's really buggy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we're gonna use the dummy Wi-Fi set. So let's go set the reverse tether up first. It's pretty simple. You just go to Play Store. Okay, and you yeah only let's search that up. So it says right here reverse tethering and no root free. So that it works. So we're gonna open that. So as for now, they're offering a pro, so it doesn't matter. We don't have to subscribe for premium. Okay, so basically we're just gonna go to settings. Here we check for mode. For me, mode 1 works. I don't know what's happened to mode 2. So I'm just gonna select mode 1. If mode 1 doesn't work for you, I can switch it back. Doesn't matter. What's more important is it connecting. So after that, we're gonna use the PC. So I'm gonna turn this to my camera so you can see the PC, right? So here we're just gonna type. There's the link on the description, so you don't have to worry about typing it. But if you wanna type, you can type. Alright. So we go right here. So this is just a shortened link to support me. So I'm not forcing you. I'm forcing you. But this is the only way I can keep up with my YouTube content, so bear in mind. So it's gonna pop up like something like that, and you just go back to where you came from and just click it. and it's gonna check. Click here, continue, and this is where the tricky part is. It's gonna sit. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna pop up. Just go back to where it came from. So we're just gonna scroll down. So this is where the tricky part is. It's actually, wait, hold on. Why is it all highlighted? So it's 0 seconds. So probably gonna wait. You just go down. Like there's a link over there. Yeah, there's a link over there. And just get link. So you have this right now. Okay. So we're just gonna show in folder and extract this. So we got that one. Get extracted. And we're just gonna run that. Okay, you need Java. I might have to cut the video and install Java. You need also Java. I forgot to mention that. Hold on. So, let's just gonna teach you how to install Java right now. So if you're running on Windows 8, you're gonna have this problem, but if you're running on Windows 10, I don't think this is a problem, but if it does pop up, you can just search Java on the Google and it will take you right here. Just download it. Okay. What the hell am I looking at? Okay, this one over there. Just agree and start free download. Doesn't matter, just show in folder and just click it. I'm gonna cut this. It's supposed to be a straight up recording. It's taking so long. You might have this problem if you're on Windows 8 or Windows 7, so yeah, but this is simple though. So after you close that, after you install that, you're just gonna go back to the reverse tethering server and it should work like just fine. We're just gonna allow access to this. I prefer if you just check that also. It's not really that harmful. Why is this open? Okay, so if it was installed successfully, if you look on the notifications bar, it's gonna pop up right there, reverse tether. So it's just basically sits right there. It has nothing to do. I mean, it only detects if your device is connected. That's it, and you can choose to quit. But we're not doing that. So after that, go back to where this app. Okay, so basically that's all for the simple part, and you're just gonna take your okay, I'm gonna do this off cam. I'm gonna take my USB cable and plug it in to my Android device. So right now it's gonna say tap to turn off USB debugging because it's connected. Oh, before I wait, no. So always allow from this computer. It's gonna pop up like that. Just allow. If you don't have developers option, you never did, you're supposed to have this before watching this video because we're supposed to be pros in here. But anyways, if you don't have one, just I think it was in here. Hold on. Yeah, you just go to the about phone and find the build number. This is one. So If you tap this 7 times, it will open the developer settings, but for me it's already enabled because I did this beforehand. But if you haven't tapped this 7 times, and it's gonna pop up to the system with the developers option, and if you scroll down, there's this Android debugging, enable that, rooted debugging, enable that, debugging notify, enable that, and that's just it. Enable that before proceeding to the procedure, obviously. Okay, go back to the app and tap connect. So it's gonna connection request first tether. Just connect with that. Okay. So basically, wait. If I turn off the Wi-Fi, turn that off, and I go to Chrome, there's supposed to be no porn videos in here. Alright, no porn video. Okay. So if we're basically gonna search for something like, I don't know, Google. Everybody was shouting. So yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work just fine. But for some reason, sometimes, uh, you can still search, but on some games, you can't play, like Mobile Legends, because it's gonna detect first. I don't know if you're gonna have this problem or probably not. I don't know which is which, but in case you have problems connecting with mobile games because it doesn't connect with the the, the game itself, obviously. So what we're gonna do is, let me take you back. Come on, there's so much noise. Alright, we're gonna. So we have like two methods here: expose mode. If you have expose mode, you can install fake Wi-Fi module on the expose. I'm not gonna go over this because I don't recommend this. It's really, I don't know. So I have expose right here. So you go to the modules, I mean downloads, and fake Wi-Fi. Yeah, fake Wi-Fi connection, and install this. Just download and install, and you will go to the app itself to enable the app that you need the connection with. For example, if you want Mobile Legends, you enable it on the app after you install it. And if you don't have expose, here's what you can try. So I have like two connections here. Look at my Wi-Fi. Okay, so forgot to turn it on. So while the secondary Wi-Fi is turning on, I'm just gonna go through what we're doing right now. So in case if you wanna play a game, come on, fuck off. In case you wanna play a game like in case you wanna play Mobile Legends, in case if you wanna play Call of Duty and it doesn't say, it says that it doesn't have internet connection when you have reverse tether connected. Uh, you just That's what we're trying to fix right now. Okay, if you don't have problems with that, if you're just gonna browse YouTube or gonna download it, some apps or some, I don't know if you're in a hurry, you're gonna download something so fast in the phone, you can just skip this. But if you want to play Mobile Legends, stuff like that, games that doesn't detect internet connection, I know I'm repeating things over and over, you can do this. So here I have two Wi-Fi connections. This is my anime library. I put animes there, so there's no connection here. The one that has connection is here. Okay, so for alright, you don't need to own another router. You can just use another phone, or you can use a router, of course. You just create this one. You need to create a new hotspot for a new hotspot, or you can probably use your laptop too to create another hotspot so your phone can connect. That's the requirements we need. Okay, if you don't have any luck with that, you can go back to the exposed module, but I don't recommend that. The disclaimer: exposed mode is very dangerous. Might break your phone if you try to install them. So I tried to, but it doesn't work for me. So it's not really buggy process. Okay, so we're gonna do this. You need to go. Where am I going to with this? You're gonna go to the terminal. You need to install terminal emulator. This one. Install this one. Okay. So for me, I already configured mine. So I'm just gonna give you the basics. So we're gonna go through the gallery. After you install the terminal emulator, this one. Okay. So let's just remove this. After you install the terminal emulator, I want you to type this. I want you to pause right now and take a screenshot or whatever. Or I'm just gonna post this on the description. It doesn't matter. Okay, so just step by step, you type SU first, then you type you type. Okay, wait. You type SU first, and then you type another. Hold on. You type SU first, then go PM disable Android captive portal login. And no, I don't. I want you to skip this PM disable. Skip this and just go with this. Settings put global captive, and settings put. So the way you enter this is step by step. First you go SU, and it's gonna ask for root, so you just grant it. I can't grant because it's recording right now, so I'm just gonna deny this. Okay. So let me just. I think I can. I think I can open that instant and just grant it here. Yep, it does work. Okay, going back. So it's step by step. So you first type SU first. So it's gonna go with the hashtag thingy. So next is you're gonna type settings put global captive. So you're just gonna type that settings put global captive portal detection enabled. Settings put global captive portal detection underscore. So enable underscore enable 0. So you're just gonna type that and enter that. So it's not gonna say anything. It's not magically you have unlocked. No, nothing's gonna happen like that. So you're just gonna enter those commands, just follow up. If it doesn't, so I want after you enter this commands, these three commands after typing this SU, I want you to go to the I want you to go back to the tether and connect. connected, and try to open the game. This, for example, if this is the game you're trying to play, try to open this game and see if it works. If it doesn't, try to restart. Tell me tell me on the comments below if the app doesn't still if it still doesn't connect with the I mean it doesn't still it still doesn't fucking connect with the game server. It still says that it has no internet connection. You can comment down below so I can find the another command you can use. After you type that, it's gonna stay connected like that. And whenever you search, just like my Chrome, before doing this, wait, hold on. I'm gonna connect with the anime layer. Before doing all of this, they're supposed to, every time I search anything like that one, there's something. Look at my cursor. I mean the touch points. There's supposed to be something saying here like your device is offline, but it's still search. It still works, but it's so annoying. So same with the Mobile Legend. It says no internet connection, and I couldn't play this game. So that's how you fix that. You just enter those commands and you should be good. If it still doesn't work, you can go with the expose, and I'm not gonna do a tutorial about that because expose is an entire different thing of procedure. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand, and leave a like, subscribe. Why do I have to do this?